Hi, wanna know how to add a contact to your favorite list on WhatsApp using your iPhone? By doing this, you can quickly add your most important chats and calls in your favorite list. In this video, I'll show you how to add a contact to your favorite list on WhatsApp. So, no more wasting any time. Let's get started. First, open up the WhatsApp app. Then, tap on the chats below. Now, press and hold the contact name you wanna add to the favorite list. Look at the below. You'll see an option called Add to Favorites with a heart icon in the pop-up. Then tap on it. Now tap on Favorites from the top. Here you will find the favorite contact you added. You can do that in another way. Tap on the Settings icon below. Now tap on the Lists. Here you will see the Favorites option. Tap on it. Then tap on the Add People or Groups. Now select the contacts from your contact list. Then tap Done from the top right corner. And that's it. In this way, you can add a contact to your favorite list on WhatsApp using your iPhone. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.